Hi everyone, welcome to Java Masterclass 2025. Today we will discuss about introduction to the Java programming. Java is a programming language and a platform where we can run from low level to high level applications. Java is a high level, robust, object oriented, and secure programming language. Why? Because Java will provide a high security for different banking applications and different type of applications. So, and it is object oriented, and Java was developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995, but right now it is a subsidiary of Oracle. James Gosling is known as the father of the Java. I have given this URL here for the JDK installation, where we can use this link to download JDK and install in your local desktop, so that we can start working on the programming very soon. So, according to the Sun Microsystems, more than 3 billion devices are currently running on Java. There are various types of devices where Java currently used, like a desktop applications. Like we have a different types of desktop applications currently running in the supermarkets and all, and the web applications like internet banking and etc. Are currently developed by Java, and the enterprise applications. These are the big applications where we will use enterprise version of Java to develop the applications, and the mobile apps and embedded systems and smart card, robotics, games, etc. We are using Java currently to develop all these types of applications. Now coming to the different types of Java applications, we can segregate into the 4 types of Java applications: standalone, web applications, the applications where we run on the internet; standalone applications where we run on the desktop; and enterprise applications where it comes as a bigger size applications like banking applications; and mobile applications, the mobile apps what we have in our current mobile. So again, Java can be divided into 4 types of platforms or editions of Java. We have, that is Java SE, Java Standard Edition, and Java E, Java Enterprise Edition, and Java ME, Java Micro Edition, and Java FX. Okay, before understanding what is JDK, JRE, and JVM, anyway, in your free time, just go through the documentation of Java to understand deeply about JDK, JRE, and JVM. But I will discuss here the basic difference between the JDK, JRE, and JVM. So we must understand the difference between these three, JDK, JRE, and JVM, for the Java development. So let's start with the JVM. JVM is a Java virtual machine because it's not exist physically. It's just a specification that provides a runtime environment in which the Java bytecode can be executed. Okay, so when it comes to the JRE is a combination of different types of libraries plus JVM. Okay, so it exists physically on your desktop or the laptop or in your server, and this JRE will contains the JVM and the set of libraries that will be used by JVM to run the Java program. So JDK is a Java development kit, is a software development environment which is used to develop a Java applications. Okay, that's why I have given in my previous screenshot, where you can see the JDK installation process. So it physically exists and it will contain completely JRE. So and certain development tools where we can use for developing the application. So if you can observe, JDK will contain JRE, means JRE will contain JVM. So if you have a JDK, we will have everything like JRE and JVM as well. Okay, so thank you. We will meet again on the next class, where we can talk about each and every components of Java to understand better. Okay, thank you.